Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be shooting a 300 Blackout. We have all FDE mags. We've got a Min 2 mags right here. Here's a hex mag. We're going to be testing that. And then 3 Lancer mags, all loaded with the great 300 Blackout round. Be shooting this rifle for the first time. It is an AR pistol in 300 Blackout. It's one of our builds that we did. It's in as much FD as I could put it in. I love the looks of it. So we're looking for a function here today. Make sure I can hit the target with it and see what the 300 Blackout is for the first time. I've never fired a 300 Blackout AR pistol, or any AR for that matter. So I want to see what the 300 Blackout round feels like when you're shooting it.
And we're also going to be testing out the Sharps Rifle Company original balanced bolt carrier group right there, and the XPB bolt carrier, which is the 2nd gen Sharps Rifle Company bolt carrier group.
All right guys, we'll be shooting it next. Okay guys, the Lancer mag's up first.
So this is Freedom Munitions 150 grain. What happened?
Touched off a second round really fast.
Oh, yeah?
Got a dead trigger.
All right, check to see if is it empty. That's not good. Did you not insert it fully, the mag?
I didn't.
There you go. Do you need double ears?
It's not resetting.
It's not functioning. All right, guys, so we attached a different lower to the 300 Blackout upper. As you can see, the red tape on the buffer tube's lower right here. This is to Beretta Senior's custom 5.56 upper build. And so we're gonna move on with the test with the 5.56 lower with the CAC Shockwave brace. You ready?
Yeah, I guess I'm ready.
A little disappointed about the lower, huh?
Yeah.
Parts kit.
I didn't expect that to happen. I threw on this rig I'm gonna try out, guys, while we're shooting. So magazines are right here, readily accessible. I will tell you guys this, there's additional recoil coming out of this 300 Blackout than there is a 5.56 pistol.
Yeah.
So it is moving me around a little bit more.
Must have 30 rounds in it.
Probably. All right, let's try it out.
Do you want me to go get you double ears?
No, not yet.
Okay. So I guess the question is, did you feel like you just fired 29 44 magnums at somebody?
There's additional recoil there. You can tell you're shooting a bigger bullet, that's for sure. So it made it through the first magazine okay. I'm gonna double up in my ears because I'm trying to hold the pistol against my
and
cheek.
it's hitting up against
and
your,
the recoil is hitting
protection.
my hearing protection. So we're gonna stop for just a minute.
That thing is sweet, dude.
Good.
Yeah.
Now it's shooting great.
Yeah. Dude, the muzzle blast on that thing because of the VG6 Gamma 300 Blackout brake is unbelievable. I mean, is it staying down pretty good?
It's staying down pretty good. You can tell you're shooting more of a rifle.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the funniest thing about it, dude, is there's like a gust of wind coming out of it. It doesn't necessarily hurt your ears like a 5.56 brake does.
Right.
Like that, the Gamma 5.56, but you can just feel the blast coming toward you, but it doesn't hurt your ears. It's pretty nice. Are you glad that you built it?
Yeah. As long as it keeps running like this, right?
Yeah.
Take a look at the front sight.
Yep, that's a very nice side insert from, God, I don't remember. It's Blitzard Components or something like that. I'll leave a link in the description box below. It's a really nice, luminescent steel sight post insert. Very high quality.
And for a guy in his 40s, you know, helps you get on target real good.
Yeah.
I can actually see the sight. So, yeah, it's pretty nice. It's getting a little warm already.
Yep.
Let's shoot one more mag, right?
Yep.
So we got a hex mag here. I'm gonna try the hex mag.
Had a little jam.
Got a malfunction.
All right, hold on. Let's look at it.
Out of the hex mag.
Failure to chamber. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Oh. Another one.
Doesn't like the hex mag.
Yeah, possibly.
Let's try something else.
Yeah, shove a Lancer back in it. Or actually try one of the Amend 2s.
These magazines have been loaded for a little while.
Yeah. Okay. Is that the last round? Nope.
No, there's more there. Just didn't get it out
Yeah,
all
lock
the way.
it. Is it double
Oh, wait a
heating?
minute. Wait a minute.
Oh, there's a round stuck in the chamber right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that was a live round too. Maybe it only likes Lancer mags. That could be a fact.
Yeah. All right, let's take a break.
Let's swap out the bolt carrier grip to the XPB and see how that works in it. So that's a Gen 1 Sharps Rifle Company balanced bolt carrier grip, and this is the new Sharps Rifle Company XPB, second generation bolt carrier grip. So there's first gen at the top, second gen at the bottom. Haven't even used the XPB yet in a 5.56 gun, but we're first going to use it in the 300 Blackout gun. We've really had great luck with the first gen, and we're really looking forward to testing out the second gen, right?
Yeah. Yeah. We'll see how good it is.
Now, obviously, the 300 Blackout has had some problems with the hex mags over there, but it didn't have any problems with the Lancer mag.
So we got 3 Lancers here set up with 300 Blackout. They're not all completely full, but at least we've got some rounds here still to shoot. And then we've got one MN2 mag, which is full of 300 Blackout also. So we'll be shooting that one too. We'll be using this Sharps Rifle Company new bolt carrier group for that testing. So we're just going to swap out the bolts.
All right, so the second gen Sharps Rifle Company bolt carrier group and the 300 Blackout custom AR 15 build, custom build. Nice. So it does like the Lancer mags.
Does seem
to. All right, so the
okay,
MN2
this is
mag.
the MN2.
Yep. Well, the good thing is you have more of those Lancer FDE mags than you do other
That's
FDE
true.
mags, so yeah.
MN2 again. Didn't
Yeah,
lock back.
I don't know how I feel about the MN2 mags. It seems like all the more inexpensive mags just seem to have problems. Don't you think?
I don't know. I'll tell you, this 300 Blackout seems to really like the Lancers.
Yeah.
Let's see if it holds true on the last magazine.
Okay.
Okay. Sweet. Okay,
So Lancer mags it is.
This particular 300 Blackout build loves the Lancers.
Yep. So take that for what it is. How do you like the 300 Blackout build overall? Obviously, you're having some mag problems, it seems like. It's not ammo related.
I'm having some magazine problems. There's also more recoil to deal with.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to keep it on my cheek, guys, which is where it's supposed to be, on your cheek, away from your shoulder.
Yeah, because you're not technically allowed to shoulder it.
So I'm really trying hard to keep it there. It does have more recoil to deal with. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm not saying if you already have one that I have no problems with it. Okay, that's fine. I'm just saying it's a little bit more challenging than a 5.56. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
I love the looks of it though. I'm going to continue to work with it and see if I can get it where it needs to be. And if it prefers the Lancer magazines only, then the good news is I own enough of them that I can run Lancers only for it. So
Yeah, because we bought like 10 just specifically for this gun. 10 of those opaque Lancer mags in FDE.
So that's the story on it so far. The Sharps rifle bulk, you know.
It's excellent.
Yeah.
We're going to use it now in the 5.56 and see how it goes.
Yeah, we'll continue to test them. That's what we're here for. That's what we're doing. We're testing stuff. That way we can let you guys know what seems to work better for us. Maybe that will work better for you too. So the good news is we've got great ammo sponsors and we're able to do this. And thanks to them, it doesn't, you know, cost us an arm and a leg. But the 300 Blackout definitely is fun to shoot. No question about that.
Yep.
All right, guys. See you on the next video.
It's like a 30-round 44 Magnum, dude.
Right?
44 Magnum in a dream.
Exactly. Wouldn't want to get shot by one, that's for sure.
Yeah.